The great spotted woodpecker can be seen and heard all year round in mature, broad-leaved woodland and forests. Approximately the same size of a starling, its call is often repeated. The great spotted woodpecker's powerful beak and shock-absorbing skull help it to create its nest hole. Around March and April, 4 to 6 eggs are laid in the nest cavity of a tree. They hatch after 2 weeks, and chicks spend just over 3 weeks in the nest before fledging. The juvenile bird has a red cap or crown, and the female adult has a black cap and black nape of neck. Both adult birds have been attentive over the few days I've been observing them, both returning approximately every 15 to 20 minutes with food. Their diets consist of insects, beetle larvae, caterpillars, spiders, nuts, seeds, young chicks and birds' eggs. The great spotted woodpecker have few natural predators, but the goshawk and the sparrowhawk are a formidable foe. This female adult has always had a tendency to clean her beak after feeding before quickly flying off. By contrast, the adult male woodpecker, with his black cap and red nape neck, would climb up the trunk to the highest branches after feeding the juvenile, calling to it, encouraging it to fledge.